Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw without taking your pencil off from the paper. So let's get started. For starting this video I'm going to choose a picture in my Chromebook, and then we will start drawing it together. So I've had some pictures in mind, and then but I decided to choose something random in the video. So let's get something not too easy and not too hard and do it together. So let's do this one actually. Okay, so let's just leave this in one side and then start doing it. So doing this challenge is so helpful for everyone to get the drawing quicker, and also for observational drawing is so important and helpful. So for the first time that I learned that, so we're supposed to do that in a specific time. So like your teacher or tutor could give you 1 or 2 minutes or 3 minutes depending on the reference. Then you need to start drawing it in that specific time, and also you need to see like how do you improve in each time. So let's get started this one. So let's not get any time for that and just do it like in the time that we can. But I'm just explaining that I'm not going to every details. I'm just trying to draw the same shape and form without taking off my pencil. So let's start from the head. Just don't worry about any mess, any extra lines or shapes. It's normal because you're not taking your pencil off, so don't worry at all. So let's find the form first. So that is the whole standing form. Okay, so now it is time to do a bit of more details. But you see, the most important thing is not taking your pencil off and just playing with your hand and just try to get to the form that you can see. I'm not doing the facial features as well, just trying to do it similar. So we can see the coat is coming around here, and this is the sleeve with some, yeah, let's do it. And then the color. Okay, I have to take my pencil off because, okay. You can see there is, the finger is over here, and then the skirt, then the crop top. I don't know how long it took me to do it, but I believe it was about 3 or 3.5 minutes. But I think so far I am happy with my results. I think I can see the exact, not the exact, but the kind of the same shape and like the form on my drawing. So yeah, this is how basic you can start the drawing, by just playing with your pencil and moving it around to get the shape. And afterward you can improve it, so now you have time, and then you can rub off all the lines and details that you don't need and only keep the things that you really like, the outline. And so this method helps you to draw very quickly and get very professional by trying it many times, and then after challenge yourself, and you can also give yourself time so you can see how much you can do it in 1 minute, and then next time try it in 2 minutes and then 3 minutes, and see how do you improve, and then how much you can add in 1 minute to the first drawing. So this method is so helpful, and this is one of the first thing that I've learned when I started my course. Then yeah, I really hope you find this video useful, and let me know in the comment what else would you like to see in the future. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me with your likes and comments. Thanks for watching, and see you later.